Good day everyone, in today's video, Xiaomi 14 Pro.
In a box you will find a 120 watt charger, USB Type-C to A cable, converter for literally every socket, a case, which is pretty nice, manual SIM card tool, and the device itself. The smartphone you see in this video, I bought it from TridentZ, and there will be a link in the description for you. They have beautiful discount on all the models, even the Ultra version, and additional discount code for you. So you can have a free shipping and no additional cost. The device feels very nice in the hand because it has a very flat edges, which is awesome. On the left we do have antenna, power button, volume button, which is at the correct height. At the top, we do have antenna, great speakers, well, at least I hope so. Antenna on the left, two antennas, and at the bottom, we do have another huge speaker hole, two antennas, USB Type-C, a microphone, and SIM card tray. Fingerprint sensor, it is fast, really fast. The whole menu is extremely fast. And I kind of like it. If you go to settings and display brightness, we do have a dark mode and light mode, of course. We do have color, shimmy. If you want to hit vivid, advanced color, all RGB is available. Display settings, we can go for quad HD, which is 2K, or full HD. Let's leave it with a quad. Let's go back, and refresh rate. There's a default and there's a custom for 60 or 120. Let's leave with 120. Look at that smoothness. It's all smooth and fantastic. If you want to switch to a different wallpaper, maybe this one is pretty cool. Bam. Wow. In order to test the antennas that hit mobile network, SIM card, VLAN calling and VoLTE calling is available. Preferred network type 5G network available. But what kind of power do we have in this one? And we do have almost 2 million points, which is a standard for Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Storage test, very impressive. Read speed 1700 and write speed 1200, which is a very good for multitasking, more powerful in a single core than Galaxy S23 Ultra, and way more powerful in the multi-core. Anyway, those numbers doesn't mean anything if we cannot game, so let's game. But before we game, do remember to hit settings, and then go to the battery, and hit the performance mode to get the maximum performance. By the way, battery, you can see, those are the scores. I'm using those smartphones very different than the regular user, and I'm not sure what this fly is doing in here during the filming. We do have a gaming mode, and in the gaming mode you can do all kinds of stuff, and hit performance mode to get a better performance. Very smooth. Aye, it's me, Mario.
stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this. I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment. Living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder. We're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I.
Camera. I am filming with a Sony camera, which is very accurate in colors. And at the moment we are in the log. Let me turn off the log. Alright. Leica Vibrant. You see the difference? Leica Authentic. Do you still see the difference? Well, none of them are super accurate. But let's continue to the movie mode, which is only in Full HD, so why even bother? It will do a wide-angle shot with the top and bottom bars. In the video, we do have 4K 30, 4K 60, even an 8K 30, which is super cool. There you go. It's very nice. Super Steady is only for Full HD recording, Super Macro, motion tracking, teleprompter, source, and stuff like that. Let me switch back to 4K. And in the 4K, we can switch lenses during the recording only in 4K 30. Well, maximum to the 4K 30. In 60 and 8K, it's not available. We do have wide-angle lens autofocus, which is macro. This is great. Also, zoom all the way to 15. Nice. Really nice. And in the front-facing camera, also 4K 60, but there is no autofocus for the front-facing camera. Even if you go very close, it's still in focus, so that's okay, I guess. Very wide. In the photo, tracking me nicely. HDR is available. Dynamic shot, palm shutter also available. All right. Switching to the main lens, a bit wider for the photo, and also more zoom, up to 70x. But this is all electronic zoom, so we do have tons of features: AI camera, watermark, different aperture. We can switch aperture manually or by auto. You won't be able to see the difference in the daylight, but there you see. We can switch manually or doing in auto. Continue to a portrait mode. Do remember that I have a full walkthrough from the camera in a separate video, so watch that also. In the more option, we do have fast shot for shooting birds and fast moving subjects, long exposure, 50 megapixel slow motion, and director mode. And in director mode, we can shoot in 4K 60. It's same like a movie mode, but better. 4K is available, but if you want to use 4 cameras, as a possibility in the director mode, or you can do it as a monitor if you wanted to. Also, filters only in Full HD, which is a little bit disappointing, but it is what it is, I guess. In the Ultra version, you have way more filters, and I'm not sure it's only in Full HD, also it's 4K. I'll have to check that. We do have log. Alright. You cannot switch lenses during the recording. Let me show you some samples for photo and video. We're on a shopping mall eating, and with autofocus you can do all kinds of macro footage, perfect for vlogging, all kinds of stuff. Without autofocus you will have a blurry image, just like that. Not attractive for vlogging at all. And the wide angle is really good for vlogging and also for the telephoto. Now, 6, 7, 8, 15x, that's the maximum. Zooming is a little bit slow, but this is the very early firmware. I think in time this will be improved. Look at those walls. Many hundreds of years ago, it will be difficult to climb those walls for the enemy. In the 14 line, Xiaomi 14, microphones are the best in the market.
Look at how clean they are, how warm the sound is, pleasant to hear. I think this is one of the best features in the Xiaomi 14 line. Compared to the regular version, the camera set is much greater. 1.4 lens will give you a lot at night. What does it mean? It means less noise, better pictures. With the Ultra, we do have a better video, 4K 60 switching lenses during the recording. So it all depends what you need. If you're in the market for best photo, go with the Pro. Best video, go with the Ultra. And if you're on a budget, then the regular one will give you also a little bit of it. That's all I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.